Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using memes to go viral. Let's get started. A meme is a media-like video or image with a message that can go viral. You usually use an image or a video and overlay a new text over the media. The message that the viewers will read relates to the image or video used that makes it funny or is experienced often by people. They can relate to the message, that is why they share the meme on their feed. As a result, their friends who can relate to it will share the meme again, making it viral. One of the ways that memes go viral is by using humor. People love to laugh, and it creates a lasting impression on the person who sees the meme. Using comedy makes people understand the image or video used, and they can usually relate to the message of the meme. It's easier to get your point across if you take the message lighter and positive like a funny message. This can get more shares and likes, increasing your Facebook page likes and followers. So why should be paying attention to memes? Memes can be a part of your marketing strategy or even attract people to view your content. So you should use memes as part of growing your page. You don't have to create your own meme. You can find memes for every topic and niche. Just pick the one that applies to the content that you want to share with your followers and make sure they can relate to that message. Memes can help small businesses save time in creating their own content since the message in the meme can already convey the message to their followers. When using memes, you must check if you are not violating any copyright issue. Some memes are copyrighted, especially the most popular memes, so you should check the license of the meme first before using it. Also, do not endorse or mention other brands' name in a meme. Next, use memes that match your brand's vision. Avoid memes that may be offensive or rude. Choose the image that is interesting, and you can easily portray the message that you want to send across as your viewers see the meme. Make sure not to force the meme that you'll share to go viral. People must find it funny and share it on their own. You can find images that you can edit and make a meme from a website called Image Flip. The site has a meme generator that you can easily use. You can find familiar images here. Just add a funny caption to give your viewers a different message when they view your meme. You may notice a text box here where you can add custom text for the meme. The success of making the memes viral is through the rapidness of having the meme circulate rapidly into your followers' network. Then eventually, more and more people share the meme. Then it will be viral. Also, the content spreads and gets more shares organically as it leaves an impression on people. The meme that you will use may go viral for just hours, or it may be viral for days and may decline in weeks. Now that you know about using memes to go viral, you can now proceed to the next chapter, creating good content. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.